Hey friends, welcome to Sam. In this video, I would like to share your doodle design in Spiderman. So can we start?
I have kept an outline already because drawing during the video will be a little time consuming. Let me first show you the patterns which I am going to use. Here I am planning to do the Spiderman doodle only with geometrical patterns. Geometrical patterns, as we all know, like circle. We can do many other designs using the circle, like circles overlapping each other, circles with different places, circles with some other shape like triangle, then we can go for square, then we can go for rectangle, then we have the step shape with lines, then we have other symbols like with lines, different designs like this, and then we have drawing a triangle, inside another triangle, inside another, like this. And also we can do diamonds, we can do what else, then we can do just as we're doing Spiderman, we have this web and we can just do small lines inside, just like this if you want. And then we have just drawing lines overlapping with others, coloring some here, coloring here, like that. Then we have hexagons, and these are just the samples, or we can call it as basics. We have many other patterns, or we can make many other patterns using these basics. Hope you all got some idea. Now let's start on the Spiderman doodle.
already told you I've used geometrical patterns like lines here, circles, squares, crooked lines and diamonds, etc. Hope you all like this video. This Spider-Man I completely dedicate to all the little fancy Spider-Man and especially to my little brother who gave me this wonderful idea. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.